Please join me in welcoming our presenter, former superintendent, leadership development expert, and toffee maker, Ray Lauk.
I'm Dr. Ray Lauk, and I offer two main programs, Storytelling for Leaders and Fuel for Success. Regardless of which program you choose, both are packed with content, they're engaging, they're interactive. One of the things I learned as a graduate of Chicago's legendary Second City Theater is to incorporate activities, improv games, and other activities that engage people, get them out of their seats, up on their feet, they're having fun, they're laughing, and in the process, they're learning. The first program is Storytelling for Leaders. Storytelling is one of the most effective communication techniques for leaders and speakers. And it's effective because it communicates our beliefs, our values, our priorities in a way that demonstrates those values and those beliefs. The power of stories is that it communicates what's important to you. In that story about Monty, what was the lesson that I learned? What do you know about me as a teacher? You've never seen me teach in a classroom with 85 19-year-olds. But what can you infer, what can you suspect about my teaching today based on what happened in 1982?
You interact with the students.
Because of the interactions, because of the relationships. Every interaction with a student, no matter how fleeting and quick, is an opportunity to deepen and extend the relationship. I never forgot that. And that communicated to you what I believe. That tells you what my values are as a teacher because of that story. Instead of just saying, if I could have just told you, I think interactions are important, and I think that's important that we deepen and extend the relationship, but it doesn't necessarily have context, and you would have quickly forgotten if you even would have heard it. But in a story, it makes it memorable, and it communicates because it demonstrates. It makes us and our words memorable because we developed rich, robust, well-crafted stories. And the good news is that you don't need 1,000 different stories for every situation you're ever in. The good news is you need a handful of stories. And in my workshops, we develop a handful of well-crafted stories that are rich with details that make you, the storyteller, the leader, the speaker, memorable because you've communicated by demonstrating.
I'm Stephanie Tidholm here from Highline School District Board of Directors at the National Institute Board Directors Conference in New Orleans. Here at the workshop with Ray, who is absolutely amazing. I feel like I kind of have the superpower for storytelling, but there's always room for growth. And even between just my first presentation and the second one and getting some coaching, I feel like I had Mr. Kind in the room. I just had, I think, 6 people on my way back in tell me how great my story was. And even though it's something that I really thought that I had in the bag, I've learned so much just in this short session. Hi, Ray. He's amazing. Thank you, Ray.